Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Right. And in this video, actually this is an update of my previous video which got 2.5k views. Thank you so much. Install Raylib for C++ on Visual Studio Code. Let's see how to do this. Let's go. Intro. That was a great intro, right? Alright, so first step, we have to install CMake. Go to your browser, just search CMake download and click on the first link. Go down. If you are on Windows, can just go to this binary distributions things and click on x64 installer, or if you have a 32-bit one, wait, they don't have a 32-bit one. Too bad. So you just need to click on this and it'll start downloading. You also have to make sure that you have a C++ this thing installed. What do you say? Compiler. Now I know that you must have it installed because who will start learning C++ with Raylib, right? So yeah. Oh shoot. Oh, I just ignore that. Yeah, and you can just do that using msys. I'll leave a link here. That's code.visualstudio.com doc. Oops. Docs. Yeah. So just go to this website. I'll leave it in the description, and then go to C++ and then GCC on Windows if you are on Windows, or on Linux if you are on Linux, or Clang on macOS. So if you follow this guide over here, you can install your MinGW, G++, GCC and all that. So yeah, you need that installed, that's a necessity. Now my CMake has downloaded. I'm just gonna accept. Now wait, this is an important thing. Just click add CMake to system path for all users or current user, because this is really important. I mean, you can do it manually, but this is just automated, so it makes things better. This is required for Visual Studio Code. Wait. Thank God. Visual Studio Code to find your CMake path and set up the project. So yeah, just next. Just leave that to default and install. You will have to click yes if it says do you want to allow this app to make changes. So that. Just finish it. Now you can close your browser. Now what I'm going to do, this is a folder I made for this thing, so I'm just gonna open this in Visual Studio Code. Wait. I'm gonna go here and open that folder. Now for you, that folder will be your project folder where you want to set up the project. So yeah, and go here and example import, I'll open it. Alright, so here now in VS Code you'll have to install this extension named CMake and CMake tools. Now I already have them installed, but I'll just uninstall them to demonstrate. I know that you guys are not big noobs like some other people. Oh no, not some other, a few other people. But for my noob friends, I'm gonna demonstrate this. So you need to type CMake, click the first one, click install, click the second one, CMake tools, and click install. Alright, after that's done, in your example import folder, what you'll do is create a new file. You will name it CMake lists, not txt. This is important. You have to do the same capitalization, otherwise it won't work. Alright, do that. Now after you have done that, what you do is you go to your browser once again and you type actually there's a GitHub repo. I'll leave the link in the description. Roblox Raylib for C++. Alright, you go here, you go to this repository. I'll leave the link in the description, and then you go here, projects, VS Code, and you go here, you go to make file. Remember, oh wait, this thing changed. Oh, not make file, sorry. Go back, go to projects, CMake, and CMake lists, and just click on this button over here and copy it. Go to VS Code and paste it. Sorry guys, my recording went out because of some weird reason. So I'll just tell you what I did after I pasted the thing. I just changed. You just have to change your project name to your project name. Like here it's example import, and you have to change your main thing to here. Where is it? Yeah, line number 29. You have to change it to something. Your main file. So my main file is main.cpp. I changed it to main.cpp only. So yeah, and after that I just saved it and saved the CMake lists.txt, reloaded VS Code, and there it show and now I'll just run you through it. Wait, just gonna cancel this. Cancel. Yeah. Alright, so now I'll show you after that. Now what actually happened was that it showed me a pop-up which said, would you like to configure a CMake list your project with CMake? So I clicked on it and it asked me to select a set, a kit. So I basically selected the GCC this thing one. I would recommend that you do not select any Visual Studio Community or anything like that, because those are frauds. Just select something which says GCC, G++, GDB, something like that, okay, or MinGW. Don't select all those. And yeah, and you just need to select that, and now after selecting it, it will probably start doing it automatically, but just stop that. Alright, because you will have to change this setting over here, CMake debug ready to release over here. You just click on it and do that, and it should start once again. Just gonna wait. Now it would have already made the build folder. You'll have to just delete it. Okay, something's wrong. Okay, yeah, so it deleted everything inside build but nothing. Yeah, so you just delete it or just delete everything inside of it and just click on this run button over here, and it should just do that, do everything for you. Just wait. It should run without any errors if you have followed all the previous steps correctly. I know that I'm putting the blame on you, but I'm just a regular old content creator who puts the blame on the users and doesn't take for anything. So yeah, I'll be back when this is complete. Hi guys, so yeah, it's almost done. As you can, oh, just finished. Now, I think it worked. Yeah, I think it did. Think now we can include Raylib. Yep, Raylib cpp.hpp. Yeah, main. And let's just copy some code. Oh, shoot. Oh god. I showed you my mail by accident. But don't worry. Don't worry. Oh my god, why am I showing it so much? Anyway, what did we have to download? Yeah, what did we have to do? Oh, we had to copy the relay examples. Ooh, hurts my eye, hurts my eye, hurts my eye. Oh, much better. Title screen, basic window. And I can just copy it. And paste. Yep. And now if you click this run button over here, right here, not this or anything, right over here, think it should run. Come on, let's go. See, it's so easy to import Raylib. Oh god, like when I was starting to import Raylib, like there was no tutorial that worked. Everyone was like bah 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 bah, yeah, nothing worked. So I hope this works for you. I know this will. I know you will like. Oh God, what crap am I talking? What crap am I talking? So yeah. Anyway, so that's for the video. And if you liked it, and if I helped your day, if I saved 10 hours, if I did, like it took me almost 3 days to import Raylib in VS Code, and if I saved you some time, if I saved you 10 hours, I made you do it in 1 minute, then you got to drop a like and a subscribe, right? Yeah, I hope so. So yeah, anyway, bye bye. See you. Ta-ta. Bye bye. See you. Welcome to. I'll see you, man.